personal trainer and life coach Norma Solano, and I'm here today to help you with lower back pain. Lower back pain is suffered by millions of Americans on a daily basis. It's usually caused from weak muscles, flexibility, and sometimes injuries. But I'm here to tell you, with these exercises and stretching techniques, you can manage your lower back pain without having surgery. The key is to strengthen your core muscles, which there are 22 muscles in your core, from right below your chest to your upper hip region, that control the muscles and the strength around your core, which centers the strength of your whole body. We're going to do phase 1 of 3 phases today to show you the exercises and stretches that you can do to begin your path of healing and much comfort. First thing you're going to do is lie on your back on the floor with your knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Your hands are going to be out to your side, and the first exercise is called a pelvic tilt. You're going to pull your lower back into the floor as you tilt your hips slightly up, and then release. Each one you're going to hold for about 5 seconds, and you're going to repeat this exercise 5 to 10 times. Again, pull in and release. One more time, pull your lower back in and release. As you're doing this, make sure that you tighten your stomach muscles, and it's almost like pulling your belly button into the floor. The second exercise we're going to do is an inner groin stretch. This stretch connects to your psoas muscle, which connects to your transverse abdominals, which connects to your lower back. If these muscles are tight in your psoas muscles, then this can put strain on your lower back. So we're going to stretch these muscles out to help your lower back release the pain and to gain strength in that area. The basic in phase 1 is opening your leg right here. If you want, you can push out just a little bit. You're going to open this leg and then bring back to neutral. And repeat on the other side. Bring back to neutral. This whole time you're holding your core strong and tight. Repeat again. Stretching that psoas and opposing the side. Stretching the psoas. Repeat this one 5 to 10 times also. Each exercise that we do, you would want to repeat 5 to 10 times according to your ability level at the time. The next one, you're going to place your foot on your inner thigh, push to the outside, open, and then open this leg, stretching that psoas muscle again. You should feel a really good stretch through here and your hips. Sometimes you'll feel stretches in other areas, but that just means that you're tight in a lot of your muscles. You're going to bring that back to neutral, place that foot back on the floor, and repeat on the opposite side. Tilting over to one side and opening. Again, back to neutral position. Repeating this exercise 5 to 10 times. The next exercise, we're going to cross our ankle right over below the knee joint. Keeping your hands flat on the floor, drawing your belly button into your spine. You're going to tilt over to the opposite side, holding your stomach tight. You should feel a really good stretch through your hips and your lower back. Pull it back to neutral, and then to the opposite side. Repeat. Making sure that you do not touch the floor with this leg at any time. Back to neutral, and again. Now when you've done this about 5 to 10 times, you want to go back to neutral. Take this arm and this hand and grab right below the knee joint. The other hand will place on your ankle. You're going to lift with this leg and pull your leg into your body. This is going to stretch your SI joint, which is right in your lower back, which a lot of people have trouble with, and you'll feel it through your hips, right here. Bring that back to neutral. Also repeating this exercise 5 to 10 times. When you've gotten a little more advanced, you can stretch this upper leg out and either reach through and grab to pull, or you can grab higher if you can reach. Same thing, you will repeat this on the opposite side. Taking you over to the side, not touching the floor, holding your tummy in tight, and opposite direction. Make sure you do the same amount of exercises on each side. Repeating on each side, everything that you've done. You want to balance your core, balance your stabilizers, and strengthen all your back and hips. The next one, you're going to turn onto your side. Draw your knees up. Put your chin on your shoulder and hands out to the side. As you take a deep breath, you're going to reach and exhale at the same time and reach over to try to touch the floor on the other side. This is going to open up your chest, your shoulders, and reach into your lower back. As you progress on this one, you may bring this top leg to a resting position on the floor and stretch out your bottom leg. This is a little more advanced, but you'll get more stretch out of this. Keeping your chin on your shoulder, take a deep breath. Exhale, reaching for the floor, keeping your core strong and tight. Again, you'll repeat 5 to 10 times on this side, then you would turn over on the other side and repeat the same amount of times. As we finish that exercise, you'll turn over onto your stomach. Take a deep breath, bring your hands right up under your chest, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, keeping your knees and your thighs on the floor, push up from your arms and exhale. From this position, you're going to rock back up, pull your hands underneath your shoulders, and we do what is called a cat stretch up. Holding that position, take a deep breath, push back on your hips, onto your ankles, and exhale. You should feel a really good stretch in your lower back at this time, in this region. You want to repeat that same exercise, going down, deep breath, up, exhale. In the beginning, you may not be able to get all the way up to here. You may only be able to get partially up, but that's okay. Continue, and you'll know your progression state as you reach up to this position. Again, arch up as a cat, hold that position, exhale, and come back. As you finish 5 to 10 reps of that, we're going to go up on your toes, downward dog position, and you can take the one leg up, bring it in, try to get it to a 90-degree angle, and sit back. If you cannot get your leg all the way back at this point in time, this is a little more advanced, then what you want to do is bring that back leg up to a 90-degree angle, and this is a 90-90 stretch. So we'll do it in this position, and then you take a deep breath, exhale, and lead with your chest, keeping your elbows and arms at a 90-degree angle, exhaling as you go down. Come back up. If you can get that back leg straight, the more you try, just continue working on that. Walk your hands to the outside of your hips, holding your core strong and tight, stretching over to the floor, leading with your chest. Again, you're going to feel a good stretch all through here. Then you're going to slightly turn and look for your foot in the back, and you'll get a stretch on this side of your back. Now we're going to take that back leg, bring it around, wrap it, bringing the ankle right below the knee joint, keeping your back straight, grabbing below the knee joint here, pulling in as you exhale with your chest. At any time and point that you catch yourself rounding your back out, you need to think about it and pull your shoulders back. Rounding your back puts too much strain and stress on your lower back and can only cause more problems. So we want to keep your chest open, shoulders back, and pull in. Now you're going to take this hand behind you. This arm is going to go right below your knee joint and twist and slightly push off. You're going to repeat this on the other side. In the beginning, you may only want to do 5 to 10. As you progress, you can do more and more. These exercises will strengthen all of your core, and the muscles around your spine will become intact and will help keep the spine from shifting and pain-free. Continue doing these, and I'll be back soon with phase 2 of lower back exercises and stretches to relieve that lower back pain that so many Americans deal with on a daily basis. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you soon.